In case you want to join our program or you just want the books, mocks, shortcut, just call the numbers given here and my team can help you out. Or you can attend the demo lecture which is happening on Monday with G Strategy. If you want to crack the CET exam with a self-study program, like you don't want to join any classes, already have prepared last year or whichever way it is, or maybe because of financial constraint. So 3 things you have to do, only 3 things you have to do if you want to be in the race for the CET exam. Number 1 on the point is giving regularly mocks. If you are giving the CAT exam, you can still wait, you can do a mock every 15 days, but if you're not giving the CAT exam, your focus is purely on CET, you have to give a mock every 15 days. If giving with CAT, if you're not giving CAT, every week mock. Every week mock from today is required. In CET login ID, there are going to be 70 mocks, 70 mocks from today till your CAT exam, till your CET exam. So we can give a mock every week, once in a week mock. And there are going to be chota mocks, the topic wise test, the sectional test kind of thing, which are going to be 150, which you have to give every day. Every day you get up, give a test, and then start with your daily routine. Why? Because I want you to get into the speed mode. Those who are given CET exam, ask them. Main problem with the speed. Why? While maintaining accuracy. So that's what I want to take care of with a weekly mock. So in case you want to join a program, you can join the program. Number 2 is the books. CET paper pattern changes every year. Every year they introduce a new kind of questions which are coming. That's why you have to be staying abreast with the new books. Fine. So you need the books. Following the mota books, the problem is they're all published 10 years ago. Yeah, and there are a lot of things which are not coming in the exam, and most of the coaching classes are not updating their books. Fine. We are the only one who are changing the books every year. So we have the black books and the advanced books, the pro books. So you need both. You need the base, you need the black books, because till 2020 the syllabus used to be based on the black books. 2021 the syllabus have changed to the advanced books. So the pro books you have logs, you have coordinate geometry, trigonometry, Venn diagram based questions which are now coming in the CET exam, which have come in 2021. Fine. So you need the books as well. Even though it's a self-study program, you need to do self-study, but you still need the books. Fine. The moment it says self-study doesn't mean you don't need any support. You don't need the classes, but you need the books, you need the mocks, you need the other data as well. Number 3 point, the most important point is a routine. यार मैं आज आपको रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ आप एक रूटीन बना लो, बस एक रूटीन. Fix up a timetable, especially those who are not working, you need to fix up a timetable. Everything will be sorted if you just make a timetable. Even if you watch a movie every day, you can still go to JBIMS if you make a routine, if you make a timetable. Fine. And set a quantifiable goals. For example, I'll give you a simple target. Your target by December 30 should be to score 100 to 120 marks. Simple target, December 30 tak 100 to 120 marks la do. So that is going to be my target number 1, 100 to 120 by December 30. Then by Jan and Feb, target will become 120 to 140. Okay. Now this is as per the old paper pattern. We are still waiting for the cutoff for this year. The moment the result is out, I'll give the cutoff for CET 2022 based on CET 21. Okay, so it can be paper, this year paper कौन सेट करेगा, क्या करेगा, कुछ नहीं पता. And the problem is, we don't know. We'll come to know about this after day 1. Yeah, so is better. We'll prepare for everything. Okay, so books, mocks, and timetable. Set up these 3 things, and we are sorted. All the best.